The big breaking news that's coming in at the moment, the Bihar Election Commission in Patna now to be the scene of activity. The Congress and the RJD have decided to go to the Chief Electoral Officer, CEO in Patna, in Congress to approach EC in Patna. Congress leaders are going to the CEO in Patna, claiming that the BJP and the JDU pressurized the local officials to not give certificates to their candidates who had won. Rohit Singh at the moment is outside Nitish's residence. We'll also be joined by other correspondents. But the big story, Rohit and Moushami, which is coming from Patna, is about the Election Commission. Why don't I go to Moushami first? Moushami, what has the RJD decided? Why are they saying they'll go to the Election Commission? Why are they crying foul? Is this sore loser? Do they have evidence against the Election Commission, especially in the last round?
See, Rajdeep, the poll battle has now reached the Election Commission's door, and apparently the RJD and the Congress are claiming that there are 8 seats each that their candidate were told that they have actually won it. But when they went to collect the certificate, they were told to hold on, and then they were informed that they've lost it by 10, 15, 20 votes. And that's one reason that you see that in tandem, as Manoj Jha set out of the Yadav residence, we saw Madan Mohan Jha and Akhilesh Singh of the Congress, reach the Election Commission. And right here, when perhaps the lights would have been out at the Election Commission, we see that the RJD and the Congress have decided to escalate this battle. You can say that they're trying to cry foul, but they feel that they are only wanting to raise a very, very valid point, because if there is recounting, which they're insisting on, they would have more seats in their kitty.
But it's going to be, so they're calling for recounting. Is it, how many seats do they want a recounting in?
So if you look at the numbers, Rajdeep, already the RJD has said that there are about 7 to 8 seats where the candidates were told to hold on. So 8 of those, and you add another 7, 8 seats of the Congress party, where they're saying that the administration has been acting very, very strange. So about 16 seats is what the Mahagathbandhan is looking at. They are saying that we are going to discuss it with the Election Commission, why the certificate was not given after the candidate was informed that he has won it with a certain margin, and why he was not informed if there was counting again. So all these points
the Election Commission is holding a presser as we speak. Just let's quickly listen in.
संबंधी सूचनाएं देने के लिए पुनः आयोग की टीम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है। सबसे पहले तो मैं आयोग की तरफ से इस बात को साफ कर देना चाहता हूं कि आयोग के सभी अधिकारी और पूरी मशीनरी बहुत ही मुस्तैदी से, पूरी मेहनत से निर्वाचन की समस्त प्रक्रियाओं को पूरी तरह से ठीक ढंग से समझ के उस तरह से ये मतगणना का कार्य करा रही है। आयोग कभी भी किसी के दबाव में नहीं रहा है, और जो भी प्रक्रियाएं हैं, पहले भी जैसा कहा है कि पूरी प्रोसीजर को फॉलो करके उसमें नेचुरल कोर्स में जो भी टाइम लग रहा है उस पे ये चुनाव के रिजल्ट का कार्य किया जाएगा। काफ़ी संख्या में अंतिम नतीजे प्राप्त हो गए हैं। बचे हुए विधानसभा निर्वाचन क्षेत्रों के लिए अंतिम कुछ ही चरणों का मतदान कार्य शेष रह गया, जिसे त्वरित गति से किया जा रहा है, और जो अंतिम चरणों में जो भी प्रक्रियाओं के पालन करने की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी उसे आयोग के अधिकारीगण, रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर्स, आयोग के पर्यवेक्षकों के देखरेख में इसको अंजाम देंगे। विशेष रूप से जो एक समस्या कई बार आती है कि जो मार्जिन है और बहुत कम मार्जिन है, वो यदि पोस्टल बैलेट के जो रिजेक्टेड वोट्स हैं उनसे कम रहता है, तो फिर वो उसको गिनती करने के लिए कैंडिडेट मांग कर सकते हैं, और उस दिशा में जो रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर है उसको काउंट करेंगे। तो वो ऐसी स्थिति कुछ जगहों पे ही आ सकती है, जहाँ पे कि मार्जिन बहुत कम है और ये जो पोस्टल बैलेट रिजेक्टेड होंगे उसको फिर से गिनने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। और जो भी छोटी मोटी और समस्याएं हैं उसको वहाँ पे ऑब्जर्वर्स अपनी देख रेख में उसको निपटाते हुए उस मतगणना कार्य को कराएंगे। जैसा कि उम्मीद है कि ये अब कुछ ही चरणों के चुनाव शेष हैं। ज़्यादातर जो देखा गया है करीब
So there you have the election commissioner in Bihar saying that